Hi there everyone, welcome to another Cornwall campsite tour. Today we're at the Godrevy Park campsite. It's a caravan and motorhome club campsite just a few miles outside Hayle, and opposite the beach at Gwithian, which is actually just over this road. I'll show you a bit later where you can walk from the site without having to walk down this main road, but there's 3 miles of beach over there. Let's take you around the site. This is the main entrance in. Coming up here on the left, reception. Shut at the moment because they're all busy doing their regular jobs before the arrivals. We're just after 11, so we're before the main start of the new arrivals. It's pretty much a site with a central road and then 2 sides. So I'll come up the central road first. You see on the right, one lot of camping areas, we'll go around that later. And then to the left is the other section. We'll do that as well. So firstly we'll come up here, these are the facilities. You've got wet suit washing area at the back, behind there is the male showers, and then right behind it is laundry washing up area. Come down here is the other end of the block is the female showers. Through there, and we'll walk up through here. So this is all the pitches on the left hand side of that road, all in little tucked away areas, all given names I think as well. So let's just follow along here. You just about see that sand dune over there. It's a nice view to have from your site. It's lovely pitch. So each of these each of these areas is given a name. It's coming past the briars through here, up through here, so going a bit further left from reception. This is the sea view area as they call it. And if you come through here you see this gate in front of us. This is the gate out. Just here. Open this up. Just down there is the track which takes you over that road and on to 3 miles of beach, which we've got another video for you. Right, coming back in. Back down the road we came up. Right, we've come back down to the facilities block, and then we're going to cross over to the pitches on the right hand side, just to give you a look at those. This again has quite a few pitches. It's not a particularly small site, but the way they've set out these little areas doesn't mean you get a reasonable amount of privacy. The facilities are working the same as all the other caravan and motorhome club sites. It's with wristbands allocated a number, well, the number on the wristband is the number of your pitch, and you do the hanging the wristband on the hooks outside facilities, so you know how many people are in there. It's 4 maximum, which is very sensible. It's very rural, and of course we are benefiting from what is a glorious day in September. All that wind's gone, sun's shining, clear blue sky, so it's good to be so close to a beach, walking distance from the campsite. So we're going back through this other section, and we'll end up following it round and coming to the main reception area again. So we'll come on down here. As I said, this is Godrevy Park campsite, so as early as the 3 miles of beach, you also can walk down to the Godrevy Lighthouse, which is very impressive, on a little island on its own. And then further down there's a bay where you can watch the seals, so plenty to do here without having to get in your van. So on a glorious sunny late September day, this has worked out pretty well. I think here also you might see on that sign they have the mobile fish and chips, which still seems to be running on Tuesdays and Fridays. So now back to reception area, and we'll go back over towards where we're pitched. This is we're on the left hand side, just been round the right, and that's back up where we if you follow that roadway round, you end up back at that gate to go on to the beach. So we'll just come back to the main entrance, show you that sand dune again. There we are. So I hope that was useful, and look out for another campsite tour next time we're out on the road. Thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye.